Hello my creative friends, my name is Olga Sorokina, and in this video I want to show you my favorite materials for interior sketching, which I use almost every day. I'm gonna talk about markers and special paper for markers. First things first, paper. This particular one is extra wide layout paper and it is A4 size, and this block contains 70 paper sheets. And important note that paper density is 70 grams per square meter. It's really important, because if you will take, let's say, 60 grams per square meter paper density, it would be too thin for our purposes. So my recommendation is to use 70 grams per square meter. And here, as you can see, I attached some examples of my favorite brands, so you can choose one of them. If standard size A4 is too small for you, you can use A3 format, which is twice as big, and once again it's bleed-proof paper, so it protects paper from bleeding when you put markers on it. Well, let's take a quick look inside of this marker block. As you can see, it's rather thin. It's usual, it's normal for each and every marker paper. What about next one? Canson, one of my favorite ones. Once again, it's silky, maybe more white in comparison with the previous one, and it's transparent. Maybe you can see my hand through it. Well, it's time for a yummy part of this video, and let's discuss markers. Woohoo! And now I will show you my marker minimum set, which is absolutely necessary when you start drawing interior sketches. Here I will show you different brands of markers which I use personally. The first one is Pro Marker, it's Cool Gray number 2. The next one is Style File Marker, Neutral Gray number 3 and G3. So the main idea that grays can be warm, which is warm gray VG, neutral NG, and cool CG. For the first time it's enough, for example, either cool grays or neutral grays. No need in warm grays if you are a beginner. The main idea here is that there should be at least 3 of them, 3 different grays: light gray, middle gray and dark gray, so you can show shadows in your drawing. They are really very helpful and handy. So we've already chosen 3 colors for my marker minimum set. There are in total 7 colors of them, and the next 2 ones are sandy colors. They are absolutely necessary for interior design drawings, for hand rendering if you are an interior designer, because in interior basically there are a lot of sandy and wooden tones, wooden colors, so you will definitely need these colors in your marker palette. The next one is dark brown, or it can be chocolate color. This one is Style File Marker and it has brush tip. It's also very handy, but you can use any tip you like, any tip you want, because marker contains 2 tips usually, the thin one and the wide one, or the wide one can be replaced with a brush tip, which is my absolutely favorite tip of the markers. The last but not least, in my marker minimum set, which contains 7 markers, is the black one. You will definitely need it. And also I can recommend you a liner, which is, this one is Faber-Castell, or you can use a Copic liner. You will need liner for the final step of your drawing, for putting different accents and drawing details in your sketch. So here it is, my 7 marker minimum set plus liner. Marker sets. Well, if you are serious about interior sketching with markers, I would recommend you to purchase marker sets, as for example this one, which contains 36 colors. Its name is Copic Ciao markers. Let's call this part marker maximum set plus extra materials. I've already showed you my marker minimum set, and here I've already selected my absolute favorite colors my favorites for interior sketching from this particular marker set, which is once again Copic Ciao 36 colors B. So as you can see, my favorite colors from this marker set are kind of softened and subdued colors, and they are noble and deep, which is just perfect for our interior sketching purposes. Now there is a great variety of different markers on the market, such as Copic Sketch or Style File markers. I also like Pro Marker from Letraset. One of my favorite one is Chartpark brand. Also, I've heard good testimonials about touch markers and alpha brush markers, but I didn't use them personally. I've noticed even special architecture sets and interior design sets, for example Copic Sketch markers. They do such sets especially for interior designers and architects, where palette of markers is already already contains softened and subdued colors. Plus, for my interior design drawings, I usually use colorless blender. It's number 0, it's from this set of markers, plus black marker, black liner, and my new one is Copic Wide, it's also black. Other colors from this Copic Ciao set are too bright, I rarely use them. Now I would like to show you how these markers work on paper, and let's start by putting this first light gray marker, which is Cool Gray C1. It has brush tip, brush pen, so it's really rather light and it's very handy when drawing shadows. The next one is C5. Then it comes C7 from Copic Ciao palette. So I continue to practice this idea of using light gray, middle gray and dark gray for my interior sketches. Next one is very light, almost transparent. It is light mint color. Its name is Cool Shadow BG10. The next one is also green, but it's like combination of green and gray, BG93. Its name is really green gray. Next one is sand color, the light one, and a little bit darker one. As you can see, these guys are almost too empty because I use them very often, or maybe too often, and Copic Ciao markers as well as Copic brand, their markers can be refilled, so it's possible to reuse the same marker a lot of times. And at last, here are E04, E08, R59, E47, B39. Let's examine our colorless blender, which is number 0 in Copic Ciao marker set. As you can see, it makes all previous colors a little bit lighter. As always, I use black markers. For example, this one is Copic White. It's very good for framing your interior sketches. It makes very beautiful white frame for them. And I can't imagine myself without liner, either Faber-Castell liner or Copic liner. And now let's talk about some additional materials for interior sketching. First of all, my number 1 is white ink pen. It's perfect for adding shine effects, and it makes your interior drawing more complete. The next one is pastel pencil. It can be retouched. And the last one, I like to use golden pen. Well, now let's examine our marker paper. As you can see, it's really bleed-proof paper, so the next sheet of paper is clean. So, these are the markers and paper I personally recommend to my students inside BASE, my beginner course on interior sketching with markers. I also invite you to read my blog, where I share more in-depth thoughts, techniques, and recommendations on markers, paper, and the sketching process itself. If you would like to explore my blog and my course further, you can find all the information on my website at schoolofsketching.com.